In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work from the forehead and also telling you why I prefer to work from the forehead. So the reason why I like to work from the forehead is if you work from the tile and you're using a fast adhesive and it's sitting on the side of the pillow, there's a lot more distance that needs to be traveled before you reach this left-hand side. So if you do work from the side and you work with a really quick setting adhesive, you may find that your left eye consistently comes back with less extensions than your right. So to work from the forehead, I want you to place a tissue down first. You'll have a cotton round underneath your tile, so that will stop your tile from slipping off. Also, your client will just feel a very slight pressure on their forehead. It's actually quite comfortable, and it will also stop the tile from heating up. So pick up your tweezers, elbows down, picking up an extension, you would dip. Have your hands or your wrist on the side of the face, coming across like this. So the left eye is quite easy. The right eye can be a bit tricky when you first get started. So to get to the right eye, your elbow comes up on the pillow and you rest on the edge of the tile. Other benefits of working from the forehead, besides an increase in retention, is that your speed will also increase throughout the whole appointment time. So that means that your clients will leave with more natural lashes extended, plus you'll be able to see more clients every day as well. Your neck and your shoulders won't be as sore. You'll also have a lot less strain from your eyes from having to look into the distance and bend over to the distance with your neck in the same direction all day. And that's why I prefer working from the forehead.